I'm Antonio, project manager, Stellar Roofing. Today we're in Irondequoit working on a 20 square roof. The issue that the homeowner is having, she's experiencing leaks in her roof in a few areas. We came out, gave her a free inspection. During that inspection, we noticed that she had molding in her attic, wet plywood as well. While removing the molded plywood, we noticed that the bathroom vent was venting improperly. So when the homeowner uses her bathroom fan, the moisture from the bathroom, it just goes into the attic space, which contribute to the process of her having mold. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna reconnect the bathroom vent so it's venting properly. The next important thing is to check the integrity of the roof. You want to make sure that there's no delaminated plywood, no rotted plywood. What's visible on the outside cannot be detected from the inside of the home. So this part of the inspection is very important. You cannot apply the ice and water barrier and your water underlayment on faulty plywood. And what we're doing here today is removing molded plywood along with rotted, delaminated plywood. Whoever did the roof prior, they created a cricket. The cricket is used with 2x4s. So what they discovered now that they use aluminum, and she is having leaks in this area. Once they clean this area on up, we're gonna redeck that area with a 7/16 OSB plywood, and we're gonna seal that chimney off properly. And that will eliminate the leaks that she have in this area. The chimney is always an important piece. To prevent leaks around a chimney, we apply ice and water anywhere from 6 to 10 inches up the chimney. Is more based on the style of the chimney, and this chimney here is a great size. So you're looking at about maybe 10 inches of ice and water up along the chimney on all 3 sides. The next layer of protection will be the step flashing. We apply the step flashing on all 3 sides of this chimney. And as we apply the step flashing, then we apply the shingles. So in the case we get rain, snow melts, the water runs down, and the shingles, the step flashing, and the underlayment protects the chimney and the roof for potential leaks. What could be tricky at times doing a roof is this dormer that you see here. This home has 2 dormers, one here on the left side of the home, and there's another on the right side. The challenge to dormers, you have to check both sides of the dormer for proper step flashing. There's also a flashing that needs to take place up under the window ledge. The color used today on this home is shadow brown. Behind each shingle, there is a tar strip that's used to bond these shingles together. Now we're getting close to the finishing product. What you see here now, we have our ice and water barrier over the fascia board. This process is called franchise wrap. Part of the process is removing the gutters, taking off the old fascia metal so we can expose the actual 2x6s, applying the ice and water barrier to protect the fascia board and the eaves of the roof. The purpose of this franchise wrap, snow, ice in the winter months likes to build up, and at times it causes leaks and start to rot out the decking along with the fascia board. So this protects, giving your fascia longevity. When that process is completed, we're going to manipulate aluminum metal, same color here, musket brown, reapply the fascia wrap, and then reinstall the gutters. Once the shingles come together on both facets, the next feature is the ridge vent. It's part of the roof's anatomy. The ridge vent serves as an outlet for air ventilation. The air goes into the soffit vents and the hot air exits out of the ridge vent. Another stellar job wrapped up in Irondequoit. I'm Antonio. Thanks for watching.